but the car should unlock automatically. I didn't have to press anything, just unlocks. So this is a Nissan Juke, brand new, as you can see, 9,000 miles, 2024, and it's 1 litre turbo petrol engine, 115 I think horsepower. So for a 1 litre engine, not a bad car. It's definitely not fast, but it is quite a nice car to drive, especially with the automatic gearbox, big screens, wireless charger for the phone. It's pretty much got everything you could ask for. Nice and smooth to drive. We're going to take it on the motorway right now, show you a bit of acceleration, and then yeah, hopefully you can understand how it drives and some of the pros and cons of this car. In here, just down there, we have the mode, and you can go between the sport, standard and eco. Let's put it into eco. Sport revs it a little bit more, but it's a 1 litre engine, so you're not going to get exactly a Porsche performance from this car, so I think sport is a little bit pointless. Maybe if you want to overtake someone a bit quicker. Always tracks your speed and make sure you're within the speed limit. Very comfy seats. No, it's actually, so I was going to say cheap plastic, but it's actually quite soft in here, so not too bad. Ah, the screen is fantastic, absolutely fantastic, and everything nice, simple and straight to the point, just how I like it. What have we got here? A little carbon feature, parking brake, the sport eco mode, gear shifters, wireless charger, and a simple sort of climate control in there. And then the 2 screens, very user friendly and easy to use. Usually it's got start stop as well, so after a while it switches off the engine. Turn in here, and there's going to be a little bit of motorway just for you guys to see how it behaves in the motorway. foot all the way down, and then you'll see what happens, which won't be much. That's the foot all the way down now. That's 70 miles an hour now. So not exactly crazy thrill accelerating in this car. Let's put it back into eco. But it's got enough power for just day-to-day driving, maybe even some long drives. So they've tuned the 1-litre engine pretty well. Obviously a Japanese car, and Japanese know how to do some of those things. Right, we will head back now. Well, actually, you know what, I'm going to park, take a little walk around the car just to show you what it looks like, and then that will be the end of the POV video. I might also do a separate video taking it on a country road just for you to see what it's like. But in the meantime, can I go here? Yeah, I'm going to take it here. I'll just take it out and show you what it looks like. Right, so park, engine off. A decent sized boot, as you can see, with another compartment here and here. The back seats. I'm 6'2", and as you can see, the seat is back a fair bit. We've got the headrest. We've got a little USB and USB-C port in here, so very comfortable. And very nice in the back, I like it. Let's go see the front of it. It's got nice tires, quite small alloys actually. Let's see what size they are. 17-inch alloys, got big tires, quite a nice front. Yeah, lovely, really like this car. Alright, hope you enjoyed, and there'll be more videos like this. Let's have a look at the practicality. We've got very nice seats. Got a little compartment here where you can put a little cup of tea or a bottle of water. Got 2 cup holders in here, wireless charger for your phone in there. Got space in here, quite a lot of it in there as well. Glove compartment with your manual and stuff. At the back, the seats are, as I said, very comfortable. We've got the light up there, and here we have the mirror. Same in this one. I don't think the mirror's got a light, which is not ideal. Let's start the car. One pretty cool thing about this car is that when you're driving it, in drive, it doesn't try to go forward. Most automatic cars, when you stop in drive, it tries to be going forward. This one doesn't. So I don't know how they've done that, but it feels a lot more natural and actually feels better.